Good morning, children. How are you? Yesterday, we knew some story of the king and the monkey. Today, we will continue that story. Before that, I will read story again. Once there was a king who had a pet monkey. The king was very fond of his pet and treated him like a friend. The monkey was silly, but the king thought he was funny. The monkey moved about freely in the palace. He even entered the king's bedroom. One afternoon, the king was resting. He told the monkey to keep watch while he slept. Suddenly, a fly came in through an open window. The monkey said to the fly, "Hello, friend. Please do not disturb the king. He is sleeping." The fly did not answer. It flew away and sat on a bowl of fruits. Up to here, yesterday we knew this story. So today we continue what happened later. Let's see. The monkey hit the fly with its paw and said, "Shoo, get out of the room." The fly flew away and landed on the king's pillow. The monkey was angry. How dared the fly sit on the king's bed? See, when the fly flew away and sat on a bowl of fruits, the monkey hit the fly with its paw. Paw, P-A-W, paw. Tell along with me. P-A-W. Paw means feet of an animal. Paw means what? Feet of an animal. Paw. And said, "Get out of the room. Get out from here. Go away." The fly flew away and landed on the king's pillow. Here see. Landed. L-A-N-D-E-D. Landed means what? Came down. Okay, children. L-A-N-D-E-D. Landed means came down. The fly flew away and landed, came down. Where? On the king's pillow. The monkey was angry. The monkey was very angry. Why? The fly did not go away, did not go outside. Again, he settled where? On the king's pillow. That's why the monkey was angry, very angry. How dare the fly sit on the king's bed? Because that pillow belongs to kings only. No one has a right to touch that pillow. Understand, children? That like monkey is feeling. The monkey feels the fly has no right to sit on the king's bed. Understand, children? That way. The monkey saw the king's sword near the bed. He picked it up and tried to kill the fly with it. See, the monkey saw the king's sword. What? Sword. Tell. S-W-O-R-D. Sword. S-W-O-R-D. Sword means what? A big knife. Sword means what? A big knife, which was used in the wars in the past. Understand, children? So, a big knife. So, saw that sword where? Near the king's bed. He picked it up. Picked means took that sword and tried to kill the fly with it. Next, what happened? See, he missed. The fly settled on the king's nose. At once, the monkey hit the fly with the sword. "Goodbye, you silly fly," it shouted. Yes. So, when the monkey hit with the sword, he missed and did not go away. Again, the fly settled where? On the king's nose. Where? on the king's nose. Settled. What is settled? Settled means came to rest on something. Came to rest on something. Yes. Tell one spelling. Settled. Settled. What? Settled. Settled. On where? On the king's nose. Already the monkey was very angry. Very angry. This fly did not go out. Understand, children? That's why at once the monkey hit the fly with the sword. Goodbye, you silly fly, it shouted. Yes. The king awoke with a loud scream. The monkey had cut the king's nose while the fly escaped. See, at once the monkey hit the fly with the swords. But the fly escaped. But the fly escaped. And the king awoke with a loud scream, loud noise. Awoke with a loud noise, shouting, oh, like that. The monkey had cut the nose. Why he was shouted? Because monkey had cut the king's nose. Monkey had cut the king's nose. That's why he awoke with a loud scream. But the fly escaped. See, escaped. Escaped means what? Managed. Understand, children? Are leaving that place. So, escaped. Escaped. Understand, children? Next. The king recovered after many weeks. He forgave the monkey, but learned not to trust an unwise creature. See, recovered. Spelling C Recovered. Recovered means got well or cured from some wound or from some disease. Cured, got well. Okay, na children? Yes. So the king recovered after many weeks. Yeah, and forgave the monkey. Accepted his mistake. Did not punish the monkey. Forgave. 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 Accepted and did not punish the monkey. Understand, children? But he learned a lesson. What is that? Not to trust an unwise creature. Unwise. UNWISE. Unwise means foolish. Creature. 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 Understand, children? So he learnt a lesson. What is that? Not to trust an unwise creature. So, what did you learn from this story? Yes, there is a moral in the story. What is that? We should stay away from foolish friends. Yes, sometimes our friends also behaving foolish. Okay, children? So, avoid them. We should stay away. We should stay away from foolish friends. Don't do friendship with that friends. Okay, na? They may harm us. Understand, children? Yes. Understand? Okay. Thank you, ma.